I will not be on the ticket for the convention of the People's United Party in Belmopan. No, I will not be. And sadly, not only for me, but for my supporters who are P.U.P members, this is about them. And I go back to consult with them to determine what I do further. We cannot win them all in terms of getting a decision in our favor. And in this particular regard, what must be borne in mind that there were a couple issues that prevented the outcome that I would have liked to have had. The first being that given the time frame and the fact that one of the main parties to the action could not have been served, the whole issue of bias was not addressed. The court could not bring itself to address actual or apparent bias, which was the main basis of my application. So in that particular regard, given what transpired, because again, we were up against it with time, we're talking about Sunday being the convention, the decision was taken to advance both issues together, that being the injunction and the claim. Herein lies where this is where the cookie crumbled. We had the previous case, which ended in a default judgment. The view of my attorneys were that there was a requirement to bring a new claim as opposed to attaching this application to the old one. So that was done. In relation to that being done, the court is saying no, that it should have been a continuation of the case that we perceive to have been finished. That is where the whole duty of candor was deemed to have been breached. So in that regard, by breaching the duty of candor, we were placed on a sticky wicket, if you play cricket, no? And by virtue of being placed on that sticky wicket, we were bowled completely. We were bowled on it. And hey, that's the way it goes. That's what you call litigation risk.